Another important tool on CorelDRAW is the Ellipse Tool F7. So the Ellipse Tool is used to draw cycle. So here is the tool. Ellipse Tool is used to draw cycle and ellipse by dragging in the drawing window. So here is it below the rectangle tool. So you can see it's F7. So you can draw ellipse or cycle. So let's go there. Let's do this one. So to draw an ellipse, drag where you want to place it. So just click and drag with your left click. If it is okay, move your left click. So they say drawing, holding down Ctrl draws a cycle, while drawing, holding down Shift draw from the center. So let's hold Ctrl and see. You hold Ctrl and see the size on the properties bar. Can you see that it's same? It's 2.8. Can you see it? So inches. So can you see? So to change the ellipse into a pie shape or an arc, click the pie button or arc button on the properties bar. So remember the properties bar, this is the properties bar. So you can just clone this under edit, clone it or duplicate, clone, yeah, drop it here. So click on the properties bar. This is the cycle ellipse, right? So you can change it to pie, to clone it again. Let's clone this one again. Let me reduce the size. Remember, pick 2. So let's edit, clone again. Can you see it? So this is arc. Remember, if you should understand the segment of a cycle, we have arc, pie. So this is an arc, this is a pie. So let's click on the shape rectangle tool. So another thing, to change a pie shape or an arc back to ellipse, click the ellipse tool button. So for example, let's duplicate this. Duplicate. Can you see it? So to change it back to an ellipse, you click on this ellipse tool. Can you see it? So this is what I mean. So the last one, to change the ellipse shape, click the shape tool. So once you want to click on the shape tool, ellipse tool, so other things will come here too. To create a pie shape from an ellipse, drag a node, keeping the pointer inside. Can you see it inside? So it will be a pie. If you drag it inside, it will be a pie. Can you see it? But if you are dragging it outside, it will be an arc. Dragging it inside, it will be a pie. You can even reduce the size. Can you see it? If you drag it outside, it will be an arc. So this is the short guide you need to know about. You're welcome.